Well, it's dead flat. This is perfect. I thought there was pillars.
I think it's alright.
So we'll just keep
I
that.
think you can see that at the end. I think that's where they put the pillow.
Yeah.
But we don't use that one. We don't need it.
Okay, so later on, if we need to inflate.
So ito guys, natapos na. Nilagyan na ng hangin. So, yan. Malaki na bed. Tapos, matagal na din ito guys. Luma na din ito. Siguro mga 5 years siguro to. 6 years. Ang gawin mo lang guys is, kinukunik lang sa sasakyan. Kumukuha kami ng electric sa sasakyan o power sa sasakyan. Tapos, kinukunik lang yung power. Tapos ito, yan guys. Twist mo lang yan. Iano mo lang yan. Ilagay mo lang dito sa inflate. Tapos, automatic na yung maglagay ng hangin. No need ka na mag-pump. Tapos, kunin mo ng hangin. May deflate din dyan sa baba. I-twist mo lang yan. Now, tapos, iganon mo yan. Yan, kuha ng hangin. So, next step na naman tayo.